everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete investing.com account from your device. So firstly, go to the investing.com app. Make sure you have already downloaded investing.com app. Tap on it to open. When you'll open your investing.com app, you will get this kind of interface. Here on bottom right corner you can see 3 bar. Tap on it. It will navigate you to this interface. So here when you scroll down you can see settings option. Tap on it, and on downward here you will see the option to delete account. Click on it. You need to take the reason. If you have the following reason, you can just go for it. Let me go for one option, and then type your message why you want to delete this account. So let me type my message. I have duplicate account, and then go for next button. And if you want to delete account permanently and you're confirm about it, then just tap on confirm button and your account will be permanently deleted. So for now I'm not going to delete it, so let me cancel it. But if you want to delete it, go for the confirm button. So in this way you can delete investing.com account from your device. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.